Alright, um, this video I'm gonna go over how yesterday I had my biggest loss day. I lost $1,000. I'm gonna go over it, how I broke my rules, and what happened basically. So, if you guys are traders, if you're trading in Q futures, you can take away what you can take away. I believe this is gonna provide some value to you guys in controlling yourself, controlling greed, especially greed. In this game, we know greed plays a big part, especially when you make money so easily by just a click of a button. Alright, so let's get it. So, this is a recording. I reviewed it like one or two times, so I'm just gonna narrate it. Um, so I entered here, right? Uh, so if price was falling, it was like what 10? Yeah, it was 9.55. Price was falling, bearish trend, clear bias, right? Clear bias because so you see this white line right here? That's a 4-hour order block, right? Uh, price was somewhere here. I was looking to short, but I didn't see type of any type of entry that I could actually use to go down, right? But then I mean, okay, this breaker right here respected, and I think okay, and then I saw this inversion, took this inversion as soon as I saw displacement down, right? So that was my entry right here, and like if I'm gonna fast forward, this was one con, by the way, one con in one contract, and then as soon as I saw more towards my I scaled in, so doubled up, two cons, and my risk management is always so tighten my stop loss to the most recent low, bam. So now this is where I made the mistake, right? I always scale half in 1 to 1 or some such, right? But in this case, since this is a 4-hour order block, right? As soon as it tapped in, I saw some pullback. I wanted to buy one contract, right? Since I clicked the first time and it was a one contract sell, right? My mind, I didn't check. I thought it was automatically into one contract, right? But if you look here, it says two. So when I edited the buy stop, right, it I don't know, somehow this one made two. So when I went to buy back my one contract, right, it took me out the entire position. And I'm like, what the fuck is going on, right? So watch this. Watch my reaction. I don't know if you guys can hear the sound, but I'm like, yeah, I just realized what happened, and then I immediately jump into my sell position again, and then I buy it back again, right? I'm like, I'm freaking out at this time. I'm like, yo, what the fuck is going on? Like, it literally, cause I have a exact protocol of how I trade, how I enter, how I exit, how I scale in, and how I scale out. So this happened, it really like fucked up my entire mind. Any like everything got screwed over, right? Even though I didn't lose any money, right? It just so so I'm here, I'm like, what is going on? I don't know what the fuck to do, because in average, like if I'm making like, if anything over $1,000 I'm making a day, I'm good. If I'm under 1,000, I'm like, it depends. If I get stopped out and I make under 1,000, then I'll stop trading, because like basically I got into half and then the other one half didn't go. Then I'll stop trading. But if I make like less than 1,000, I'm still risking whatever profits I made to make my 1,000. My average is like 1,500 or something. Like 1,500, I'm cool with it. Okay. So I think So I immediately edit my thing, right? I don't know why it keeps going back to two. Like, I always play with one contract, right? So, look, I checked. So I have $782 in profit right there.
How I made $782 by accident, bro.
So I'm saying, yeah, I made $782 by accident, which I was supposed to make way more because,
Also,
okay,
let's do one by one. But let's see.
but let's see what behavior took place in me
I mean,
after
it's
that.
still a good
So
short. But
So I'm thinking, yo, it's still a good short because my initial thought was, okay, I want to scale out as soon as possible. Like when I first got in, I'm like, okay, since this is a 4 hour order block, I want to get out. Once I get my 1 to 3, I want to get out, right? But since I didn't make my full money, right? I'm like, so I'm like, it's still a good short because if I were to be in this trade, I would still hold here, right? So I'm going, so like now I'm entering here, right? I'm entering here, which is the start of the
I'm
4 hour order
coming with
block.
one contract.
Mind you, this the
4
order
order
block is
block.
big, right? And it's
How
an
much did the
untapped
price
4 hour order
roll?
block, so it didn't get tapped. So
Do this.
and time is like 9:59, right? So I see, okay, well I entered again because I didn't see a good reaction off the top because I'm like, okay, 4 hour order block, it should have had a fucking bounce up. Like, it should have been like going up because it's a 4 hour order block, right? So it's going down. Look. So it's going in my favor. I don't scale in with my two cons. I'm like one con because look at this. Price can come back here. Yes, it can. Can even tap this order block, so it can. So I'm like giving it a little room. And then tightening my stop loss slowly, right?
Price can come here though.
Look, I'm moving it back again because I literally said price can come back here too, which it can. Even if it were short bias, we can. So at this point, sellers are still selling, right? I'm up what 5? Okay, so I'm up a decent amount, right?
Bro, orders were all over the place. It's like
That little mistake. Okay, so okay.
50% of this alcohol is 50% of this.
So then my shift changes to, okay, I'm gonna hold it to 50% of the like mean threshold of the order block, right? Which is lower, like right, even lower here. I'm like, okay, I'm entering here. I'm entering shorts where people are entering longs, right? Cause this is for a bullish order block, right?
Bro, like if I've, oh my god, it's cool, it's cool. I'm still in this shit here.
So yeah, I'm up
I can
like
hold it to
750 on
50%
top
of
of the
this
money I
shit.
made,
So
right?
let's see.
750 on top.
Or I could hold it to here. There's no point in, and I'm not
So
going
yeah,
in with another
that one.
contract either. That's cool.
So I'm saying I'm not going in with another contract either, cause
This shit here.
so I'm up a cool like 1500, I think 1600 I was up. And here I'm actually deciding if I should pull out or not, which I should have, right? Always take when you're up your daily you meet your daily, and bro, take fucking profits and get the fuck out as soon as possible, bro. The
Damn, bro,
longer,
entries were all over the place.
yeah, entries were all over the place, like.
Entries were all over the place. Let me see the halfway mark though.
So I'm still targeting halfway mark because I'm
If this
thinking
were not raised up,
go it's gonna blow
what
through
the
this
hell?
4 hour order block, right? And then out
What's
of
going on?
nowhere, so here, right? Let's see. Yeah, I'm up like 1500, 1400, right?
I want to see the halfway mark though.
And right,
If
okay,
this were not
right there, boom,
raised up,
right there, the bullish
what
bulls
the
buys
hell?
are starting to come up, right? And I'm
going
like,
on?
I'm kind of panicking. I'm like, what's going on? And then bam, I get stopped out.
Okay, stopped out.
At this point, I'm like, okay, so I still have 698 from the first trade I made, which was not even a 1-to-1 because that was a mistake, right? I fucking went scaled out my entire position when I should have been scaled half, right? So
Stopped out, but we're good.
so 698. At this point, I'm thinking like, all right, I'd rather 698 is not good for me, right? I'm like, nah, I wanna make my entire fucking thing, and I still have my bearish bias in mind, thinking that it's gonna go down, right?
We didn't lose any money.
Something okay, we didn't lose any of our initial profits, right?
We didn't lose any money. I was up at 1500 at a point, but I guess it wants to go up.
This is the initial the inversion that I took shorts from, right? So I'm seeing the reaction here. I saw a reaction here. Waiting,
Maybe give
waiting.
away the money that I made.
Oh, no, no. So I took another trade here.
Go down for real.
Okay, so I saw this reaction of this inversion again. So I'm like, alright, let me see. I think I took a short again.
You gotta be careful about this order block.
Like you see what I'm like, okay, you gotta be careful about this order block though, cause it's a 4 order block inside, and then we have another bullish, bullish, two bullish, and then so it's like I'm saying to myself, you gotta be careful about this order block, right? Yet I'm still taking a short because of the fact that I got out of my trades early by mistake with one click, bro. Like one click literally ruined the entire fucking ecosystem of my thinking. Like it just blew everything off. Like it just threw me off my natural behavior, state of behavior. You know.
Stops would be here. I wanna
So
see how
look.
it reacts to this shit right here.
Okay, which is smart. You should see how it reacts to this one right here because it can.
Shouldn't go below 50% if it wants to set up.
Alright, so I have my short buys here, but I don't know when I sell. But okay, I see selling pressure, right? I sell. That's too early. Like you can, looking back at it now, it's like that is too early because it's still above mean threshold. Okay, more pressure. A lot of buyers here.
Literally gave away the
Alright, that's it. I get taken out. I get taken out because too early. Too early. We don't have a closure. We don't have a closure below the breaker. That's too early. This is the first move of the bulls. This is where we see a CS change the order flow switches right here. Order flow switches right here, where I get stopped out.
fuck.
Alright, I get stopped out like
Literally
that.
gave away the money that I made.
So now I have $100 for the day. So although at a point I was up 1500, now I have 100. Then no, I had 1500, right? I was up 1500, and then 700, and then I think I took another trade. It took me to the stopped out. It was like a little stopped out, and then I had 600, right? So 1500, 700, 7 something, and then 600, and then from that 600, I'm at $199 right now. So look, at this point, I'm like climbing back. I'm like fuck it. Like since nah, bro. Like I have to make. Like my mind was like, I was up 1500 at a point. I need to get my money back. Like that's I don't say it, but that's exactly how I was feeling. Like,
The fuck just fuck the fuck just I just do. But this is the 4 hour order block, so I think it's switching order flow.
you see, I even say it. I say it. I think it's switching order flow. But what did my stupid ass do, bro? Let's see what did my stupid ass do. I said it's switching order flow because it stopped me out of shorts, right? Let's see what I do. Cause all right, I'm waiting, right? Okay, what? Oh yeah, some okay. How long is this video? I don't know what the fuck am I doing. Look at this, randomly nothing, bro. It's just random, bro. I just randomly sell, bro. I just randomly sell out of pure fucking greed, bro. Something just looked good on me. Like, I don't know what. I think I saw this gap going, and then I saw a bearish order block form here, respecting this. I'm like, what the? Selling here, bro? Like, come. This is pure greed. Look at this. Look at my fucking face, bro. Selling after I said I think it's switching order flow, bro. Look, alright. Basically, I get stopped out of here, bro. Okay. I get stopped out of shorts. Because this is too long. I don't want this video to be too long. Alright. Let's see. Look, so basically, I get stopped out. Negative 694. That means this was what? This was $800 loss. It's pretty big loss. Pretty big loss given that my average wins are like $1,000. So this is eating into my daily average wins. So at this point, I'm like, I don't know, I don't even know what I'm feeling, but
What is an SMT? So
so I'm like, I don't
we
know.
have a lot of buyers in here, bro.
Okay, I said we have a lot of buyers in here, so I'm recognizing order flow switch, right? And we have buyers, right? I don't know what was the next trade, but I traded again. Like I was in a tilt, bro. I could have lost my funded account, bro, this day if I didn't stop trading when I did. Usually, if I take this big of a loss, bro, first trade, if I take this big of a loss, I'm immediately cutting off the computer. I'm walking out. But because I was up at a point, I was up 1500 a point. My state is still on that high. Like, yo, I just literally made that much money with one like literally like I fucked up. I fucked up like 2 or 3 times, and I still was up $1,500, right? So I'm still on that high, at that euphoria state, right? Like the skill is there, the trading skill, everything. The skill is A plus. Like you could tell, like I'm a fucking good trader. Like I know how to trade. I can read the market when it's whatever it's doing. I can read it, right? But it's the emotions. It's the we're all humans, right? So right now, I said, is it an SMT? Now I'm looking for confluences, like why did I get stopped out, or like what's going on, right? I'm trying to look for excuses or like some kind of confluences to support my actions, right? Human beings, we all do that, right? Because we don't want to take fault. We just want to find reasons why this happened, why that happened, right? At this point, I'm like, fuck. I don't even know. I think I was like, I know me. I'm like, yo, bro. Like, how is this even possible, bro? Like, cause if you think about it, it's not a $800 loss because I had 1,500 at a point. So it's like, it's 1,500 plus this 700. So it's like more of like $2,000 loss. Cause I was up four. Yeah, I was up like five. I was almost $5,000 on my account, right? Let me see if I take another trade or something. So I'm chilling here, right? I'm like, okay, let me see what price doing, right? At this point, I'm just like, look at my face. I'm laughing. I'm like, this cannot be happening. I'm using my phone. I'm like, I'm trying to take this in, right? I'm like, yo, bro, what's up with this shit, right? I'm trying to take this in. I'm trying to take what did I just do, right? And what should my next move be? Like, should I stop trading or like I don't know, like I just that's what I was thinking, right? All right. So look at the cope, bro. Like I'm looking at funny videos on Instagram. Like I'm coping right now, right? All right, journal, which at least something good, right? Yeah, so journaling, right? At least this part is good. Oh, what did I do? After journaling? Okay. I think I took another cell. Did I? Look at my mouse. I'm on the button. I'm on the button. Sell for no reason, bro. There is no that's not my model, bro. I sold off this, so filled price. Okay. Filled price. Price is filled. I'm like, okay, no reason to go up. Sold here. Okay. Oh, so I know what I was thinking. Okay, so I'm thinking this order block, this is the edge. This should be resistance now. And we can target this low right here, right? Mind you, I literally, after I got in this trade, I just realized ES took this low, right? I don't know if I say it here, but I think I do say it here. I'm like, and then ES take this low and it creates a bullish SMT. So order flow switch and bullish SMT are like, come on, bro. Price is reversing. Price is reversing, and I know price is reversing, but I still take the sell.
Shit. This is not a good place to sell because.
You see, this is what I say. I said this is not a good place to sell, and then,
$1,000. Yeah, I'm not trading anymore. I'm not trading anymore.
all right, that's when I come to realize, like, yo, I need to stop. Like, something is really fucked up in my psychology right now. That like I realized, yo, if I don't stop, I'm gonna blow my fucking account. So I stopped. I'm like, yo, I'm not trading anymore. I'm not trading anymore. That's it. Like I'm saying it out loud. It's order flow is switching, and we created a bullish SMT. I'm like, what the fuck? And then I get stopped out again. So what, bro? My rule is two trades, bro. Two wins stop, two losses stop. I think I took four losses, bro. I think I took four losses. Four losses. I didn't stop. I didn't. I should have stopped in my second one, right? And we would have been. It would have been a break even day. But since I was up 1,500, I'm still on the euphoria state, right? Like, see how emotions played in. It's like you could see all the technicals and everything was right. Everything I was calling on the charts was right. I was still doing the opposite because of my emotional state. Like, because of emotions, bro. This just goes to show you how much your emotions plays into your trading. And if you don't record your trades, if you don't really scrutinize your behavior, first of all, you're not gonna improve, right? and you're gonna be oblivious to what you do, right? You're just gonna blindly trade every day, every day. Like since I have this insight now, I know you can see, like I'm really seeing it from a third person point of view. What the fuck am I doing wrong, right? And next time this happens, I can identify it, right? Like this is not my first time doing this. Like same the I had something similar sort of before, something similar, but not to this specific situation where I scale out of my full position by accident, right? Like I missed out on a big move, right? There was like couple, I think that was last month or something, yeah, where I missed out on a big move by a couple of points, right? Like very, like I missed out because I was waiting for too much of a confirmation, and then the trades I took after that, I was going in too quick because I missed out on that. So the FOMO from that trading like carried on to my other trades, and then I was getting shitty entries because of that. I wasn't following my rules. So yeah, that's what I hope this video helps. Hopefully 2025, this was the last 2024 trade. Hopefully 2025 we don't make the same mistakes over again. We lead this shit in 2024. Peace.